it's Louise with louisemckayart, and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a very different video today. And quite truthfully, the motivation was born out of the fact that around my house, if you looked at my walls, you would hardly see any pieces of art up on it. So what I thought, since I do enjoy working with the bloom recipe, is that why not try a Dutch pour style bloom blowout using the bloom recipe, similar to what I do in a serving tray or what I do on a Lazy Susan. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to go on fast speed and voiceover or text over where needed. You'll get the gist to the final outcome. And I'm going to play music in the interim. I'm doing it this way because I have a lot of learning to do, and I just wanted to show you what the process looked like. So I hope you enjoy this a little bit different today from the editing and creation side, but hopefully interesting nonetheless. that's a wrap. Here are the final dried and varnished results. I varnished this with 2 coats of gloss Liquitex varnish, and I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. And this was on a recycled canvas. I just wanted to see if I can use the bloom recipe on a larger scale, and this was a 12 by 16 canvas. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Normally my tutorials are very involved, but this was a first time and I'm still learning a lot, so I didn't have much to share here. But I will be definitely doing more of these on a larger scale. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the bell. You'll get all my latest art tutorials. And again, if you're in the DC area and like to join me in some bloom classes next week, I'll be teaching from the 6th to the 8th. Links in the description. And that's all for now, everybody. Take care. Till next time.